Well, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, you'll probably want to subscribe. I try and do 1 or 2 videos a week. Just click on the upper right hand corner and it'll take you to my 1998 Land Rover Discovery 1 playlist, where you'll find more and more easy to do repairs that you can do to save yourself big money. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Believe it or not, this helps me continue making these videos. Hi you guys, welcome back. Well, today is going to be a really easy fix, and this is going to be a short video, and we're going to talk about today how to fix your sun visor. You know, when the clip breaks and the sun visor is flopping around, slapping you in the face like a red-headed stepchild. Well, if you want to prevent that from happening again, this is a fix that you can do yourself. And it's not that expensive. Plus, the tools you'll use aren't very sophisticated. All you need is a flat screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do is you want to order the part. And I found mine on eBay. You'll find that these parts run anywhere from $5 to $10 each. This is the one that I picked. Anyway, it came in about, I think it was about a week. And this is what the package looks like when you get it. Here's the serial numbers. Here, I'll rotate the picture here. There you go. Those are the numbers. And this is what the part looks like when you get it. And right where the red arrow's at is where the piece broke off. As you can see, these parts are made out of plastic, so the plastic in time will become brittle and crack. So every so often you'll have to replace these. So you may want to order 2 and replace both of them. One more thing, once you've placed the new clip in and you screw the screw in to hold it in its place, you're going to flip down this, it looks like a lever, but it's this cap. You're going to flip it down and it's going to snap into place and hide the screw. Just a little FYI. Anyway, let's get to work. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously move the visor out of the way, and we're going to locate the clip. Now, if the clip is broken, the screw is going to be really easy to locate. It's just right in that hole there. Take your Phillips screwdriver or your battery-powered drill with a Phillips tip on it and just unscrew it. Once you have it unscrewed, the clip will still be in there because it snaps in. So what you're going to do is you're going to see if you can take it off with your hand. If you can't take it off with your hand, just kind of move it off to the side and take a flat screwdriver and come up underneath it and kind of move it around and work it out, and it'll unsnap out. All right, just like that. Okay, now you're going to get your new clip. And if you look at the hole, it's a square hole, so the clip only goes in one way. Well, I should say you want to make sure it goes in the right way. You don't want the clip to be facing down, left or right. You want it to be facing up, so your visor just snaps down right into it. So make sure you have it face the right way. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the clip and you're going to push and snap it in place. Then you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and screw it in. Once you have it screwed in, you check to see if the sun visor snaps in correctly. You may have to adjust it just a little bit. Once that's done, just fold over that cover and snap it into place, and you're done. Alright, finally I got this thing fixed. Well, I just saved myself 75 bucks. This one guy was telling me that's what one shop charged him to do the same job. Oh well, on to the next project. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!